What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Asus Rog Phone 2 against the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So we have the Snapdragon 855 Plus versus the Exynos 9825, 8GB of RAM versus 12. Both of these phones are one of the best Android phones available right now. A clean version of Android versus a heavily skinned version of Android. Which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Asus Rog Phone 2. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the new Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU. This model is the Tencent version with 8GB of RAM. Then we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on Android 9 Pie. It has the Exynos 9825 CPU and the Mali T76 GPU and 12GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Rog Phone 2 wins by 4 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the Rog Phone 2 wins by 1 point. That is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Rog Phone 2 won by 4 points. In round 2, the Rog Phone 2 won by 1 point, and that was just fractionally. As for the price difference, if you are getting the base model of the Rog Phone 2 with 8GB of RAM, then it costs less than half the price of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. If you were to get the higher end like the Elite model, then it will cost about the same price. The Rog Phone 2 is a very solid phone, and I'm sure that the clean version of Android did help it in launching of the apps. The phone itself is excellent with a massive battery, 120Hz refresh rate and stereo speakers. Now saying that, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is also a very excellent device. It has the better Quad HD display and also the better cameras of the two. So what did you think of this comparison video? Do you own or plan to buy either of these phones? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. I am planning to get the OnePlus 7T and the 7T Pro, and there will be comparison videos, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.